What is a new entrant safety audit? Within the first 12 months of operating as a property carrier within interstate commerce, or 120 days as a passenger carrier, each carrier must undergo a new entrant safety audit. These audits are designed to help carriers understand the requirements they must follow to operate within compliance to the FMCSA. Audits can occur in a number of ways, whether they be on-site at a carrier's primary place of business, scheduled with an FMCSA agent, scheduled off-site to either meet at a weigh station or a government building where the carrier must bring the documentation before the agent, or a remote off-site. The carrier will upload documents into a portal within the time frame set forth by the agent. If a carrier is struggling with roadside inspections and/or other issues that arise within the FMCSA, the audit may be expedited as the carrier is flagged as a high priority. The audit is meant to be a learning opportunity. However, if the carrier does not have adequate proper safety controls in place, it is pass-fail. The FMCSA will reach out to each carrier based on how they registered with the FMCSA, so either by phone or email. Be sure never to ignore any messages by the FMCSA or state DOT offices, as if there is no reply, they can pull your interstate commerce privileges. Be sure to get a hold of your US DOT PIN number that was granted to you upon registering with the FMCSA. If you do not know your PIN, you can obtain it online via the FMCSA Safer website. A new entrant safety audit will typically review the following areas, but not limited to: driver qualification, driver duty status, vehicle maintenance, accident register, and controlled substances and alcohol testing requirements. CNS can prepare you for your audit ahead of time by enrolling in one of our DOT compliance programs. It is always better to be prepared right away, as the FMCSA assumes each carrier understands the requirements upon registering for a US DOT number. If you're looking for assistance with a new entrant safety audit, CNS can help. We ensure that the required documentation is understood by the carrier, organized, and submitted properly. CNS will assist in communicating with the FMCSA on behalf of the carrier as well. If you would like CNS to assist in preparing for or submitting your new entrant safety audit, please complete the form below and one of our specialists will reach out to you to assist. Thank you.